Hey guys, make sure to stay until the end. If you make one common mistake, you may end up spending thousands of dollars on tools, parts and diagnostics that you may actually not even need. Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel. Today will be super helpful video to any of you having a BMW X3, X4, that generation here from year 2010 to year 2018. If you need to find where oxygen sensor bank 1, sensor 1 and sensor 2 fuses and relays are located, and where oxygen sensor bank 2, sensor 1 and sensor 2 fuses and relays are located, stay with us. We'll explain about that, where you can find them, where you can guys buy cheap parts, tools, fuses, relays at a good price, quick shipping, that way you do not waste money and time, why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. All that guys will be covered absolutely free for your convenience. Please make sure to stay until the end. So before we start guys, let us tell you a little bit about us. Every single car we get here at the garage, we try to make at least 200 to 300 free repair videos. We take them completely apart, we show you how to fix engines, transmissions, engine codes, fuses, bodywork, a little bit of everything. Why we guys do that? Because our mission in the shop is to save you as much money as we can. All we need in return, please subscribe to the channel, like the video, that way we can keep making these absolutely free videos for you. And guys, if you need to buy any parts, tools at a good price, quick shipping, that way do not waste money and time, we're going to put links in the description of the video below for your convenience. Check it out, that way do not waste your money guys. Also, we will have more than 14,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels. Check them out guys. We'll have videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs as well. So let's start on it now. So guys, this BMW has many hidden fuse boxes that most people do not know that they even exist. You have up to 5 or 6 different fuse boxes, and for many of you, okay, some of those are special fuse boxes, kind of like this one here. If you don't know about them guys, we'll recommend to check out the video on our YouTube channel about fuse box location on BMW X3, X4. Check it out, it can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. So guys, for the oxygen sensor fuses and relays, where you can expect to find them, we'll work in some hidden fuse boxes. Make sure to stay until the end. Now it should work on BMW X3, X4. We'll demonstrate on that BMW here, but as you know, BMW X3 and X4, they're built on the same platform, so it should work for both. What we guys first need to do, open the passenger door, and then you will need to open your glove box. Get everything out of the glove box guys, because in the very back on the right you have that cover. Press that tab, pull that cover out. Behind it you're going to find a fuse box with a layout like this one here. Before we continue, let's explain quickly why it's always a good idea to test fuses and relays. So let us tell you guys why it's super important to test fuses and relays. Fuses guys sometimes are really hard to know if they're burnt or not. For instance, I'm going to pull one fuse here, okay, and sometimes you cannot clearly see if they're good, they're bad. And let's say you think you have a good fuse, you put it back in and you end up having problems again, and you spend time, money, you buy parts, diagnostics, you pay for services that you don't need guys. You practically wasted your money. So all you have to do, check your fuses, that way you don't waste money guys. So always test your fuses, even if you think it's good, always test it. It even happened to us guys, okay, and we work on cars all the time. Another thing, always test your relays. They're a little bit harder to test, but if you want to see guys how to test fuse relays, we will put a link in the description of the video below. But we've seen so many customers that think that they have a good fuse, they put it back in, they waste their money on parts and diagnostic that they practically guys do not need. So check out the link in the description of the video below, how to test the fuse and how to test the relay as well. So here guys, okay, what we need to check, one fuse only in this fuse box, then we need to go to a different one. And if we zoom in guys, okay, right here the fuse that we're looking at is known as fuse number 35. That's a 15 amp fuse. We're talking about that fuse right here. Check this one. Then you need to come to the trunk, pull that cover out, leave that insulation piece up. Behind it you have another fuse box just like this one here guys, okay. Let me see. To position it here, we need to check a few more fuses. We're talking about fuse 131. Now you may have all of them or some of them depending on option, package, which engine and all that stuff, but if you have it, it's right here. Then you need to check fuse 132. If you have that one, it will be right there. And 143. which is that fuse right there, important fuse. Now guys, there are really hidden fuses that you need to check for engine management. On the driver's side, when you open the hood towards the windshield, that cover needs to be removed. We have a video how to do that in the fuse box location video on our channel. Underneath you'll find the brake pump, brake fluid reservoir. That white cover needs to come out. Pull the clip out, pull the cover, and behind it you have that module right here. Now if you remove it, it looks like this one. If something goes bad here, practically you're supposed to replace it, but we'll have a video how to open it and to replace a fuse there. Check this thing out. You have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 fuses and 3 relays. Those are for engine management. Most likely guys, your oxygen sensor fuses will be located in any of these 6 fuses right here guys. Those are the main ones that you will need to check if you have problems with O2 sensor not working correctly. So guys, if you need to buy parts, tools, fuses, relays for your BMW at a good price, quick shipping guys, we're going to put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them from, because you have very specific fuses, especially these little fuse boxes guys. Those could be really hard to find. You can see like the one right here as well guys, and we'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get them at a good price, quick shipping as well. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful. If you have any questions, let us know. Thank you for watching and see you guys next time.